The Old Shoes Red Heart Running Shoe. A poor boy named Rohan lived with his father. His mother had died many years ago. His father worked as a laborer. Every day, he walked to work in old shoes. The shoes were torn and dirty. Rohan felt ashamed of them. One day, he said, "Father, why don't you buy new shoes?" His father smiled but said nothing. Rohan started working after school. He wanted to earn money. Every day, he saved a little. After 3 months, he had enough money. He went to a shoe shop. He bought a beautiful pair of black shoes. He was very happy. That evening, he gave the box to his father. His father slowly opened it. His eyes filled with tears. He hugged Rohan tightly. Then his father took out an old cloth bag. Inside the bag was a new pair of shoes. Rohan looked surprised. He asked, "Whose shoes are these?" His father smiled and said, "They are for you. I bought them 2 months ago. But I was waiting for your birthday." Rohan could not speak. He looked at his father's old shoes again. Suddenly, he understood everything. His father had worn torn shoes, so that his son could have new ones. Rohan started crying loudly. He held his father's hands. He said, "Father, I am sorry." His father smiled and said, "A parent's happiness is their child's smile." That night, they ate dinner together. Neither of them talked much, but both of them were happy. Rohan never felt ashamed again. He became proud of his father. Because true love does not wear new shoes. It walks silently for the people it loves. Moral of the story: sometimes, parents hide their own pain to give their children a better life. Never judge their old clothes, old shoes, or hard life. Their love is the greatest gift in the world. Red Heart.